But you were in video while you were trying to walk in that sexy way.
It's not sexy, it's just wrong.
Really? So it's Iris again in the camera. And there's that track entitled, what's that? Kung bakit ikaw makapagtitiwala sa Biblia. Why can you trust the Bible? Okay, and here's another one. Lahat ng pagdurusa malapit ng wagwakas. All suffering soon to end.
So remember that Martha was.
Yeah. And there's Bambi.
I am Hi. Welcome to the Philippines where we are in the podium. Is this a podium or what?
Can you take a video of me? I mean, it's so unfair that you guys are the only ones.
I know, I knew it.
Actually, the one who took the video for us.
Dapat director ako, dapat.
Now you're learning.
You come closer to Mark.
And here's the
Baka bawal to
Awake magazine.
Lagi na lang ikaw, si Bambi naman.
And here's my boyfriend over there, the guard. Hi, Manong. Narinig sa niya, daw yung boyfriend sa niya.
Hi.
Tama na.
Oh, why is it not working? I don't know how to walk. Come on, because my eyesight is kaya I walk that way kanina. Baka mahulog ako. Ano ka?
Oh, don't go.